Hello kids, welcome back my YouTube channel. So today we are going to draw 6 same Peppa Pigs with rainbow colors. Let's start drawing. First I'll draw his eyes like this, his nose, shape of her head, his cheek, his mouth, his ear, like this. Now I draw second Peppa Pig. I'll draw his eyes, his nose, shape of her head, his mouth, his cheek, his ear. Now I'm going to draw third Peppa Pig like this. His eyes, his nose, shape of her head, his mouth, his cheek, like this, his ear. Now I draw third, his eyes, his nose, shape of her head, his mouth, his cheek, his ears. Now I draw fifth, his eyes, his nose, shape of her head, his mouth, his cheek, his mouth, his ear. Now I draw sixth Peppa Pig like this. His eyes, his nose, his body, his mouth, his cheek, and his 2 ears. Now I use big black marker to make this video more visible. I use pink for his cheeks. And also use his ear, his nose, like this. I use sea green for first Peppa, like this. I use yellow for second Peppa Pig. I use rainbow colors. Wow, it's looking awesome. I use purple for third Peppa. Finally, it's looking very great. I use dark yellow for fourth Peppa Pig. Like this. Use orange. Orange color is my favorite color. And yours? Then I use pink for sixth Peppa. It's going to be very beautiful and attractive. I use for this video rainbow colors. It's looking like very cute. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video.